Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony CMT-X5CDB home audio system, stereo, whatever you want to call it, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting or not working, it's not playing discs, it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, any stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just if you want to set this up, just get everything wiped off of it and set it up like it's just coming out of the box new. We can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is the first thing is we're going to just disconnect the power cord and make sure that the standby light is not on. We want to make sure that it is totally off. Then we can just go ahead and restore the power, turn it back on. And then when it's on, we're going to come and we're going to press the function and the power button at the same time. And then we're just going to keep holding that until we see reset appear on the screen. Once reset appears on the window, we can just let go, let it finish its reset, and then go ahead and set this up as a new device.